Hey everyone, Scott here from HostGator, and as a celebrity internet host, I take security very seriously. So in this episode of Hosted, we'll cover my top 5 WordPress security plugins. And if we missed one, let us know what you use in the comments. A threat! Okay, didn't respond to that. WordPress is one of the most popular content management systems on the internet, and because of that and its open source nature, it can be susceptible to hackers. No worries though, that's what security plugins are for. Number 1, all-in-one WP security and firewall. Just like in Everything Bagel, this plugin has it all. Yeah. In one! It's free, easy to install, and easy to configure using the no-code needed dashboard. This unique dashboard also helps you monitor and identify which areas of your site are secure and which ones could use an extra padlock or two. It also protects your site against brute force login attacks, secures user accounts, adds Google reCAPTCHA, and allows you to blacklist IP addresses. Everything bagels. Number 2, iTheme Security. Easy to remember, it's just like a group of pirate playwrights deciding on their play's theme. iTheme Security!
Okay.
This happens to be my personal favorite because of its versatility and ease of use. It can scan your site for vulnerabilities, report vulnerabilities, and suggest fixes. You can also limit login attempts, set email notifications to alert you when there are potential issues, and even change the URL of your login page to something unique. The free version is excellent, but the pro version also offers 2-factor authentication, password expiration, and privilege escalation. Whew, letting you temporarily give admin access to a developer. Aye, that's as secure as our hidden treasure. Number 3, WordFence Security. Tired of your Word neighbor spying on you while you're word bathing in your Word yard? Same! Build a higher WordFence. WordFence Security is an excellent security plugin for protection against brute force attacks with real-time monitoring and malware request blocking. It can also compare your core files to the WordPress.org repository to check your code's integrity and report any mismatches or changes. And with its live traffic feature, you can monitor in real time visits and hacker attempts. Similar to iThemes, there is a free version and a premium version with some additional features. Word Neighbor would totally get the premium version. We get it, Word Dave. You have a Word job with a Word 01k.
Oh,
good for you.
Word Dave.
Number 4, Securi Security. Don't like saying the whole word when talking about security? Securi is for you! This Securi pluggy is really goo at keepy your website soft.
No.
Developed by a team of WordPress experts, this plugin offers activity auditing to ensure your sensitive data is kept safe. Once installed, it will scan your site, let you know of any infected files or weaknesses, and give you the option to restore or repair the problems. If your site does get hacked, Securi will walk you through post-hack actions to get your site back up and running. Number 5, SecuPress. Want to say even less of the word security? Check out SecuPress. Fewer syllables, just as many protections. SecuPress is GDPR compliant and makes it easy to perform malware scans, set up firewalls, and send detailed security reports to your email. It also has 7 anti-disclosed security modules that protect sensitive data. Oh, cute little sensitive data.
Cute. Cute though.
And there you have it. Those are my top 5 security plugins. If that all sounds like too much work, check out our managed WordPress hosting plan. Let our WordPress experts manage and monitor your security for you. Wow, what a deal!
Wow.
In our next episode, more plugins with even shorter abbreviations. Okay, bye! Everything bagel? You sure? Come on, man, you're off the clock. The show's over. Oh, God. Yeah, take a load off, bud. It's an everything bagel. Ah. Oh, yeah. Boy.
I've been eating dead.